Welcome back to my channel, Ramir Boulder. Ito po ang report. Ayon po kay Senador Ping Lacson, hanggang saan pa aabot ang panluloko? Pinuna ni Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson ang aniyay kasinungalingan na nasa kustodiya ng Philippine Marines ang dating Technical Sergeant na si Orly Goteza. Ayon kay Senador Lacson, mismong si Philippine Marines Commandant Major General Vincent Blanco III ang nagkumpirmang hindi hindi kailanman napasailalim sa kustodiya ng Marines si Goteza, taliwas sa pahayag ni dating Representative Mike Defensor. Ano? Ha? As per verification made with the Marines Commandant Major General Vince Blanco, PME Class 1991 through fellow Cavaliers, Goteza is not and has never been under their custody. How much more fakery can we take? Yan po ang madugong ay galit na panayam kay Ping Lacson, ano? Ay, siguro galit ito kasi nagsisinungaling po itong si Mike Defensor eh. Napanood ko po ang interview nito. Excuse me. Na ayon sa kanya, si Orly Goteza raw po ay nasa Marine custody. Ano? Sinungaling po talaga ito si Mike Defensor eh. Ito pa isa pang report. Ayon po dito sa Philippine Navy tinanggi, pinoprotektahan si flood control witness Orly Goteza. Itinanggi po nila, ha? Itinanggi, ha? Nasa kanilang proteksyon, ha? Oh, ito po, balita.
Mariing itinanggi ng Philippine Navy na pinoprotektahan ang surprise witness ng flood control project anomalies na si Orly Goteza. Ayon sa Philippine Navy, retired na mula sa Philippine Marine Corps si Goteza mula pa noong June 30, 2020.
Narinig po ninyo, noong 2020 daw po, retired na po itong si Orly Goteza. Ano? At wala pong dahilan upang protektahan nila yun. Ano po? Ayun po yan. Patuloy po natin.
Iginit din ito na nananatiling profesional at non-partisan ang organisasyon. Una nang sinabi sa One News ni former Congressman Mike Defensor na may umaaligid daw kay Goteza pagkatapos niyang humarap noon sa hearing. Si Goteza ang nagpakilalang dating security aide ni former Congressman Zaldico na naghatid daw ng male-maletang pera sa kanya at kay Congressman Martin Romualdez. Yun nga lang, nabistong pineke ang notaryo sa affidavit na pinasa niya sa Senado.
What we should look into is the substance of what he's saying. Yung substance ng sinabi niya, klaro naman yun sa Senado.
Bakit ang tanong dito, Mike Defensor, bakit kinakailangan mong magsinungaling? Sinasabi mo na si Goteza ay nasa custody ng Marines, ano? Samantalang itinatanggi naman ng mga taga-Marines na sila'y hindi nila pinoprotektahan itong si Orly Goteza. Bakit kinakailangan mong magsinungaling? Ano? Ano ang iyong dahilan?
Kaugnay niyan, makakausap natin si
Ayan,
Captain Marisa Martinez, ang tagapagsalita ng Philippine Navy. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo.
Hindi lang po ito ang nagsalita, pati po yung Marine Commandant. Ano po? Marine Commandant. Ang Marine Commandant na Yan ay si Major General Vicente Blanco III. Kinonfirm din po yan ni Senador Ping Lacson na wala po sa kustodiyo nila si Orly Guteza. Okay?
New Captain.
Ma'am, magandang hapon po, Ma'am Cheryl.
Captain, magandang tanghali po. So, klaruhin lamang po natin, totoo bang nasa kustodiya o wala si Orly Guteza?
Ma'am, I would just like to emphasize that Mr. Orly Regala Gutesa, who is a former serviceman, he's a retired serviceman already, is not in the custody of the Philippine Navy nor the Philippine Marine Corps.
Malinaw po wala po sa custody nila itong si Orly Guteza as per Captain Marisa Martinez. At po, maliwanag po yan. Mike Defensor.
So we would just like to emphasize po that he is not under, Mr. Gutesa is not under the protection of the Philippine Marine Corps, most especially the Philippine Navy. We do not have any involvement in his personal or private affairs po, ma'am.
Ano ho kaya ang naging basihan ni dating Congressman Mike Defensor para nga sabihin at igiit na nasa loob po si Guteza ng compound ng Marines?
Ma'am, I would just like to assure you that the Navy and the Philippine Marine Corps confirms or would want to emphasize that he is not under our custody. So if they would want to clarify or they would want to check on the whereabouts of Mr. Gutesa, probably they could refer it to the PNP or other legal authorities. Opo.
Pero nagkaroon po ba kayo nung malaman nyo itong sinabi nga ni dating Congressman Mike Defensor nasa pangangalaga or nasa loob ng compound ng Marines, itong si Guteza, ay nagsagawa rin ho ba kayo ng investigasyon just to verify kung totoo po itong sinasabi or hindi nga?
Yes, ma'am, we did, ma'am. We did, ma'am, the Philippine Navy as well as the Philippine Marine Corps. We did check and we would want to emphasize po that he is not under the protection of the Philippine Navy po and the Philippine Marine Corps. We did check po.
Pero doon po sa inyong investigasyon, may nakuha po ba kayong impormasyon kahit na sabi nyo nga wala sa inyong pangangalaga itong si Guteza, pero meron ho ba kayong nakalap na impormasyon na possible na nakiusap o mayroong komunikasyon si Guteza at humihingi po ng proteksyon para sa kanyang security?
Actually, ma'am, the things that are ongoing right now in social media, those are all speculative. So they should mention names, whoever mentioned those things related to Mr. Gutesa, that they are under the custody of the Philippine Navy and the Philippine Marine Corps po. So we would just like to assure the public, the country, that we do not tolerate we do not tolerate acts that counter integrity. We support actually the Navy and the Armed Forces is behind the drive actually of accountability. And we also would like to stress that we also would want to combat corruption in the flood control, but this should be given to the oversight parties, yung mga law enforcement, mga legal entities po, mga courts po. So just like what our Secretary of National Defense mentioned, that this is not a military solution, and we should give all of this to the law enforcement, the legal court, or the democratic institutions po, ma'am.
Meron ho ba kayo nakalap na impormasyon sa inyong pag-iimbestiga kung may koneksyon or may komunikasyon si Guteza sa sino man pang aktibong miyembro po ng Marines?
Actually, ma'am, we would check the statement of Sir Defensor. He mentioned in his statement it is ex-Marines po. So most likely, I would just like to highlight it because it was his statement also that he Mr. Gutesa was in contact with ex-Marines. So these ex-Marines are not already part of the active service.
Yeah.
So we would like to ensure the public to refrain from spreading unverified information or speculative statements that may unduly implicate the organization po.
Ano po ba ang patakaran, ma'am, ng Navy tungkol sa mga retired members na posibleng magdulot ng kontrobersya sa publiko tulad nga ni Guteza?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for that very good question. I would just like to highlight that when Mr. Orly Regala Gutesa retired as a technical sergeant tapos naging master sergeant po siya when he retired in 2020, the law related to being automatically a reservist did not apply to him po. So he's not in the list of reservists under the Marine Corps po. And it was verified just today, sir, ma'am.
Pero may posibilidad ba or paano po kung kagaya niyan dati siyang Marines, retired na at humingi ng tulong or lumapit po sa Marines na for his security, yun po ba kung sakali man ay ibibigay ng Marines?
Ma'am, the Philippine Navy and the Philippine Marine Corps would usually entertain concerns or issues of the active personnel. So there are several legal bodies whom he can approach for, like the PNP po, if you would want any protection. So there are legal bodies because he's number one, he's not a reservist. Secondly, he's not anymore in the active service. So we do acknowledge the sacrifices he has made and the services he has given to the country. However, he's already considered as a civilian. He's already, whatever thoughts or statements he has is his personal viewpoint. And if he would want to approach the Philippine Navy for protection, we would definitely refer him to the PNP and other legal bodies because we cater to the active service po and the reservist po.
Kung sakali man po, sabi nyo nga ay nag-imbestiga na kayo, wala sa kustodiya, sakali man na mayroon pong impormasyon na nagtatago pero hindi po ipinaalam sa Marines na kinukup-kup pala or nasa compound nga na itago lang, ano ang magiging kaparusahan doon sa pumuprotekta po kay Guteza?
Ma'am, we have laws pertaining to that. So we will, number one, conduct an investigation on it. And number two, subject that active person or active officer or enlisted personnel who might be dealing with such situation, we will be conducting the necessary investigation as well as process the necessary consequences if he's found guilty of nagpupuk po ng mga ganito po na which should be given to proper authorities and hindi dapat po na tinatago. So again, I would just like to inform everyone that the Philippine Navy, the Philippine Marine Corps is not tolerating such, and we, Mr. Gutesa.
Ang tanong, saan nga ba si Orly Gutesa? Saan po siya nagtatago? Ito pa, bakit kinakailangang magsinungaling nitong si Mike Defensor? Sapagkat sinasabi po niya, ayon po sa kanyang interview kanina ba yun? Oo, kanina yata yun, na si Orly Gutesa ay nasa custody ng Philippine Marines. Ngayon, pinapabulaanan naman itong Captain Marisa Martinez ng Philippine Navy na wala po pala sa kanilang custody itong si Orly dahil hindi na po ito active ito po ay retirado na noon pang 2020. Ano? Bakit ako'y naguguluhan talaga? Bakit mo kinakailangang magtago kung wala ka namang kasalanan? Dahil ba sa nagsabi ka ng totoo? Dahil ba dahil ba sa hindi totoo yung sinabi mo? Ha? Orly Gutesa, ayan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Dapat nag-isip ka muna. Hindi kita sinisisi sa ginawa mo kasi ginusto mo yan. Orly Gutesa. Ano? Ay, ito ka ngayon. Bakit ayaw mong magpakita kung totoo yung sinasabi mo? Ha? Bakit ka nagtatago? Malapit nang magsimula yung Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Ipagpapatuloy na yung investigation sa flood control anomaly. Ayun, ito, lumitaw si Mike Defensor na siyang nagrekomenda sa iyo kay Senador Marcoleta upang maging surprise witness ka sa pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee na pinamumunuan ni Ping Lacson nung mga nakalipas na buwan. Ano? Ito na ngayon, ang consequences ng ginawa mo. Nagtatago ka? Bakit? Ano ang dahilan? Bakit ka nagtatago? Kasi kung totoong tama ang sinabi mo, dapat hindi malakas ang loob mo. Na ipakita sa lahat na tama ka. Hindi ako naniniwala na may mga taong umaali-aligid sa'yo. Bakit? Ano? Ito naman, itong si dating Congressman Mike Defensor. Bakit mo kinakailangang magsinungaling? Samantalang 2 tao na, alangan naman nagsisinungaling itong taga-Marines. Ha? Kinonfirm nila na wala naman sa kanilang custody. Ha? Itong si dating Technical Sergeant Orly Gutesa. Ha? Sabi pa ng Marines Commandant na si Major General Vincent Blanco III, kinukumpirma niya na wala sa kanilang custody itong si Orly Gutesa. Sapagkat tinawagan siguro nitong si Senador Lacson ang Marines. Hindi mo ba alam si Senador Lacson ay dating sundalo rin, ay dating pulis, PMAyer din to. Kaya ba inilabas mo itong si Orly Gutesa na magsalita dahil mayroon mga koneksyon? Oh. Ano ba ang katotohanan sa kabila ng ito? Ayan. 2 po ang opisyal na nagsasabi, si Captain Marisa Martinez ng Philippine Navy at itong si Major General Vicente Blanco III. Pinapabulaanan nila na wala po sa kanilang custody itong si Orly Gutesa. Okay? Ano po ang inyong opinion? Huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Don't miss our next videos. Thank you. Mabuhay po kayo.